So today we're making Texas Roadhouse seasoned rice. We're gonna take all of our ingredients and put it into a pot. You're gonna take your chicken broth and go ahead and pour it in the pot. 1 cup of parsley. 1 large onion diced. Half a cup of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of paprika. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon salt. And now go ahead and give that a mix. Alright, we're going to take a stick of butter. I'm going to go ahead and melt it down. Once it's melted, go ahead and add 2 cups of rice. Give that a stir. And we're going to brown it for 5 to 7 minutes. When it's brown, it should look like this. We're going to go ahead and dump it in our other pot. And we're going to bring this to a boil for about 5 minutes. And after that 5 minutes, we're going to let it simmer for 15 minutes. When all that's done, your rice should look like this.